Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the order status and why you want a cancellation or refund. This matters because options differ if the item shipped. Once you see awaiting shipment, tap More Actions and choose Cancel Order to send a cancellation request. If the item already shipped, request a return instead and message the seller. Explain the reason and desired refund. Make sure to keep screenshots of messages and the order page as proof while you wait. Once the seller responds, act quickly. If they approve cancellation, you will receive a refund to your original payment method. Monitor bank or PayPal and note processing times. If the seller refuses or ignores you, use Resolve a Problem to open a case with eBay and attach your messages and screenshots. When returning, print or request an eBay return label, ship promptly, and record tracking. eBay often issues refunds after delivery confirmation. Keep communications polite but firm to speed resolution. To finish, verify the refund amount and the date it posts to your payment account. Refunds can take days depending on your bank, so be patient but vigilant. If the refund never arrives, contact your payment provider and escalate through eBay's money-back guarantee with all documentation. If issues arise, lost label, incorrect item, submit photos, tracking, and timestamps immediately. One key troubleshooting tip: if the seller stops communicating, open a case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.